Hello everyone and welcome to Hogolytics channel. Shab is here with a new Power BI tutorial. Today I would like to talk about how you can show a custom message on your Power BI reports for different users. Before jumping into the tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And hit the bell icon to get the notification for new upcoming videos. You can also read my articles on my personal blog and follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram. Let's go! Let's see how we can give a custom message to different users. For example, we have a simple report like this which shows the customer's information. You may have different end users who have different levels of access to this report. Some of them are authorized to see the customer's information content, and for some of them this information is restricted, and when they open the report they should see an empty table. What we are doing here is showing a custom message below the table to the users that tells them you are an authorized or restricted user. To do this, we should have a list of users. Users' emails are what Power BI considers for giving access or not. So, for example, we have 3 users in the users table, and we want to give them different access level to our data. Let's import it into Power BI. After importing this list into Power BI, we should go to transform data and create another column for access ID and define different access levels to our users. So, the first 2 users in this example can see the content and the third user cannot see the content. Therefore, I apply access ID 1 to the authorized users and 0 to the restricted users. I already set row level security for authorized users and restricted users. So when restricted users open the report, the content of the table will be filtered for them and they cannot see the report. You can find another tutorial in the channel on how to apply the row level security in Power BI. The first step for creating the custom message is to add another column to users table for the message content. So we have 2 values for each of the restricted and authorized users. For restricted users, we use "you are not authorized to see the report content", and for authorized users, we use "you have full access to the report". The next step is creating a measure for the message value. So we should write message value is equal to, and then use the lookup value to give back the message content for the user's principal names equal to usernames in the users table. Consider that our principal usernames in our system is like firstname.lastname@domainname.com. Now we want to extract the first name from the email, so we should create this measure. The user first name is equal to this DAX code. First we define the position of the delimiter, which is the first dot here, and then we should define another variable to extract the letters before the delimiter. So we should write left user principal name and then the position of delimiter and -1. And then we return this name with the first letter in capital. Then it is valuable to say greeting to the users in the message. So we write this measure. Greeting is equal to, then we should define a variable to extract the current hour and then return an if statement to give the greeting. And the last step is merging all these measures together to create the final message. To do that, we write message is equal to greeting and a space and user first name and comma space and message value. Now we can create a card visualization and drag the message measure into it. Before dragging the message, let's just add the test measure to the card and edit the visual format. Remove the background, change the font size to 20, font to Sequoia UI bold, and turn off the category label. Cool. Now let's swap the test measure with the message measure created earlier. For now, you can see the visual gets error, But if we publish it on the service and different users open the report, they can see the table and message based on their access level. To test, let's click on the Modeling tab, and then within the Security section, we should choose View As. Then check the authorized users and other users, and in front of the other users, write one of the users' emails. For example, shahab.huguri@hugolytics.com. You can see because this user is an authorized user, he can see the content, and below the table you can see the message showed for him. Now if you check the restricted users and in front of the other users, write the emails of the users who was restricted, you can see the table will be filtered for him and the message will be changed. Hope you enjoyed this video and use custom messaging to different users in your Power BI reports. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment your question and I'll try to create new videos for you to answer your specific questions. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Instagram, and my personal blog to be in touch. Have a good day, all Power BI lovers.